My brothers and sisters of Nigeria, a nation blessed with rich cultures, resilient communities, and unshakable faith. In every corner of our land, millions of voices rise in worship, declaring boldly, Jesus Christ is Lord. But today, we must face a truth that stirs our hearts and challenges our souls. Welcome to Stories of Heaven and Earth, your trusted channel for inspiring stories and profound reflections on faith, life, and the challenges we face as believers. Today's video is titled, Persecution of Christians, a message of hope and strength for Nigeria. This message is not just a story, it's a call to action, a reminder of resilience, and a testament to the enduring power of faith in the face of adversity. In the northern regions, in villages and cities, there are families who bear the weight of persecution daily. They worship God in silence, lifting their eyes to heaven for protection while enduring threats, violence, and destruction. These are not just stories. These are the lives of our fellow Nigerians, standing firm in their faith despite unimaginable trials. But let me ask you, does this mean they are defeated? No. These brave believers continue to proclaim the gospel. They may lose their homes, their churches, even their loved ones, but their faith remains unshaken. This is the strength of God's people in Nigeria. We are a people of resilience, a people of unity. The blood of martyrs has watered this land, and because of that, the light of the gospel continues to shine, even in the darkest corners of our nation. But this fight is not theirs alone. It is ours. It is yours. It is mine. So, my people, what will we do? Will we remain silent while our brothers and sisters suffer? No. We will pray for them. We will support them. We will be the voice for those who cannot speak. Because in Nigeria, we never abandon our own. We are one family in Christ. This is our land, this is our faith, and this is our fight. Together, as Nigerians, we show the world that no persecution, no pain, no darkness can extinguish the Church of Christ. Let us rise, let us strengthen one another, and let us remember that with God, we are always victorious. The Church may be persecuted, but it will never be destroyed. And we, as Nigerians, will continue to shine as a beacon of faith and hope. May God bless Nigeria, and may He empower us to be the light this world so desperately needs. Pray, stand, be the hope. Nigeria is in our hands.